What's up guys? Matt here with another tool walkthrough. Today we have the Bostitch 18 gauge brad nailer. So for this nailer you could use anywhere between 5/8 to 2-inch nails. And pretty much the 18 gauge, what you want to use this for is more delicate moldings or anything that you're worried about the wood splintering on. So we'll just give you a quick walkthrough of this. That's where you put your air hose in. And then to load up nails, you see that spring right there? Push that down, your slide opens, and you could see all the different grooves in here for all the different length nails. So we'll just grab, these are 1-inch nails, and you can see the way you load them. This ribbed end is going to go towards the back of the gun. You just push these all the way forward. Slide it up and it locks. And the same thing, these are 2-inchers, so these are the biggest that it takes. Put them in, slide it up, and you're good to go. Now the only thing with this is this is a safety mechanism. So this has to be pressed in before it'll fire. So if you were going to nail, you would press this in, pull the trigger and fire. And then this on the back, this adjusts the, it increases or decreases the pressure in the gun pretty much to adjust how deep you're gonna be driving your nails. If you're not driving it deep enough, you could increase the pressure on here, or if you're sinking them too deep, you could decrease it. And there you have it guys, that's the Bostitch 18 gauge brad nailer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.